$250,000, only a 650 credit score. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. So for today's video, we have another special funding play. And this time we're going to be going over a business line of credit. That's right, a revolving business line of credit where you can get up to $250,000 with very minimal documentation, and you only need a 650 credit score. So in today's video, we're going to be going over Bank United. Now, Bank United is in a limited number of states. I know they are in Florida, Texas, New York, and a couple other states. So they have what's called the Pronto line of credit and term loan. So now, as the name suggests, Pronto means fast, so there's a very quick turnaround. With Bank United's Pronto line of credit or term loan solution, you can enjoy financial flexibility to manage your cash flow and keep your business running smoothly. So they offer an easy application and fast automated decision, minimum documentation needed. So it's not no doc, it's very minimal doc. It also has easy access to your funds, and there's no prepayment penalty. So you could pay off your line of credit or term loan early without prepayment penalties. Here are the requirements, right? So at least 1 year of business in Florida, New York, or Texas. Now, I know what some of y'all might be thinking, hey, I'm in Georgia, I'm in California. How can I become eligible for this type of loan product that has a specific geographic footprint? I talk about this all the time. There's really no geographic footprints if you do what's called a foreign entity registration in a state where a bank operates. So let's say you want to get access to different loans, lines of credit, you can do a foreign entity. That's how I'm actually able to get access to lines of credit, loans, credit cards across the country. If you do have a business that's registered in Florida, New York, or Texas, it's much more straightforward. The other option is with a shelf corporation. You can get a shelf corporation and then apply. Now, in terms of the annual revenue, you do need to be generating at least $150,000 in annual revenue. And the minimum credit score is a 650 credit score. And this is actually fairly low when we're talking about commercial and small business lines of credit. Usually the credit score requirement is around 700 or so, especially in today's, economic environment. And then in terms of other documentations, you will need to have 3 months of bank statements. So they do require your most recent 3 months of business bank statements and satisfactory commercial credit history. So you will need to have some business credit established already. So just keep that in mind. Now, this is going to be great for emergency expenses, working capital, if you need to invest in a growth opportunity, purchasing equipment, or buying inventory and supplies. Now, the financing amount go up to $250,000. Again, it's a simplified loan application and decisioning process, and there's no collateral at all. Now, one thing I want to remind you is that they actually use Fundation. Now, we've talked about Fundation in several other videos. So Fundation is the same fintech company that does loan originations for Citizens Bank, as well as Fifth Third's Bank and Associated Bank. Now, Fundation allows the streamlined origination process because they're checking your business credit score. They're checking your business with the Secretary of State. They're pulling your credit. So they're doing a lot of the verification process. Now, in terms of data points, so Fundation traditionally uses either Equifax or Experian. Now, recently, they've been changing up the credit agency that they've been pulling. So this could all vary based on where you are geographically. If you're in Florida, if you're in Texas, they may pull, one or the two bureaus. So again, either Experian or Equifax. And they're going to pull your personal credit as well as your business credit. Now, in terms of other documentation, you just need 3 months of bank statements. So there's no tax returns required, no financials, no balance sheets, no statement of cash flows, no profit and loss statement. It's just going to be your most 3 recent business bank statements. So again, just to recap, Bank United offers a business term loan, business line of credit solution where you can get up to $250,000 and you can get funded in as little as 48 hours. Now, you do have the ability to apply online. However, in order to close on your loan, you must go through a Bank United business representative. Now, again, the application is going to ask for some basic business information. And again, right down here, they use Fundation Group LLC, and they're going to be processing your personal data, collecting information from the credit bureaus and other third-party sources as part of the application process. Now, again, who is Fundation? Fundation is the trusted small business partner of Bank United, one of the nation's leading non-bank small business lenders. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Let me know your comments and questions right down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.